go with Linux, go with networking and security. You will hardly need a few codes to learn, and you can jump in depth. So after that, we have decided that okay, cybersecurity is my kind of field and I will jump in that. What are the steps to start with? The first step, as we say, when we learn out any game or sort of things, what is the first step that we want to learn? The first step is the cyber laws, as in case of our cybersecurity. First learn how to play this game, then start this game. And the cyber laws. Now the question arises, the tech person and the law, is it a good combination? And I says, of course it is not. Tech person don't like to be involved in the laws and all these fields, but you have got no choice. You have to understand some of the basic cyber laws, that what are the do's and what are the don'ts. I don't say you have to do an entire PhD or you have to memorize all these laws, sections and all these things, but an overview is required. Also try to have a various looks on the various case incidents that used to come in the newspapers, that what are the wrong in that. Like somebody hacked into the Facebook account or somebody hacked into the Gmail account. So why he got a trip to the jail? So all these things should be very much clear, that what is legal and what is illegal. At what extent should I go with the cyber security field? And after that you have gone through with the laws and all that, go through with the NOC format as well. NOC is the non-objections certification, you can say, and other legal aspects that you need to discuss with the clients. It is not like the website development deal that your client has said, okay, develop me so and so website, and you are going to develop that. It is cyber security. You have to very precise and very cautious about that. You have to do legal